Mikayla, I honestly don't think that they come much more dramatic than that. What an afternoon of football, such drama, and what a comeback.
Oh, I mean, you can't ask for a better final than that. I mean, South Wales derby anyway, but to be, I think it was 3-0 down and then to come back, just to have that passion and that desire to want to get more. And I mean, to get it down to penalties, we weren't successful in the last cup with penalties, but I think, we went back, we worked on it, and we came out successful today.
Of all the cup wins, Mikayla, this being the 5th consecutive Welsh Cup final win for Cardiff City. Where does this one rank?
I mean, the treble season was amazing, so maybe second, but it's still amazing. I mean, to come here, the atmosphere here, the fans have been unbelievable for both sides, Swansea and Cardiff. I feel like it being a South Wales derby, they just bring such an atmosphere, and you can hear it on the pitch, you can feel it. They are the 12th man, and we appreciate everyone, our friends, family, and even the ones who ain't our friends and family. The fans have just come to support us every week. They're amazing, and we dedicate it to them.
Listen, go and enjoy the celebrations, well deserved. Llongyfarchiadau, diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you very much. Bluebirds, come on!